We want that guy. We want that guy. You get a radial slice. And then when the plane moves up and you do it again, you get the next set of samples like this. And just keep filling this in. Every time you transmit a linear FM waveform, put the return through the quadrature demodulator, you get some more samples of the two-dimensional Fourier transform of G. When you're all done, these things fill an annular sector that looks like that. When the plane's up here and you transmit your last pulse, you're picking up these samples of the two-dimensional Fourier transform. But once you realize what you've got, the reconstruction or a reconstruction algorithm is perfectly clear. All you have to do is interpolate that data to a Cartesian grid and then take an inverse two-dimensional FFT.